Need to download your sales data from Square Invoices? It's simple. Square Invoices allows you to download sales reports in both CSV and XLS formats for analysis, reconciliation, and integration with accounting software. This is useful for tracking payments, analyzing trends, and ensuring regulatory compliance. First, log into your Square account at squareup.com. Next, navigate to the Invoices tab or Reports section in your dashboard. Use the available filters to select your desired date range, invoice status, paid, overdue, pending, and other relevant criteria. Once your filters are set, click the Export button and choose either CSV or XLS format. Finally, download the file to your computer or cloud storage. Remember, large datasets might be split into multiple files with a limit of 10,000 rows per file. CSV, or comma-separated values, is a plain text format ideal for importing data into spreadsheets or other software like Google Sheets or QuickBooks. It's universally compatible but lacks formatting. XLS, or Excel spreadsheet, is a formatted file that can be opened directly in Excel, including basic formatting and sometimes auto-calculated totals. When exporting, keep security in mind, as the export is encrypted during transfer in compliance with GDPR CCPA standards. Square is working to incorporate more automation and AI-driven analytics for the future, possibly with blockchain-based audit trails for exports and AI-customized reports. Always refer to Square's Help Center at squareup.com/help for the most up-to-date instructions, as features may change.